Again, guys, so I'm First Class V back with our final video for demand analysis with part 14 or step 14, however you want to call it, on how to do mass MRP area updates using Zulu Mike to Fox. So this is a SPO function, so just keep that in mind. When we talk about ZV lines, the only person that can adjust stock levels and so forth is your SPO. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into GCSS-Army here. Let me share my screen, and we're going to get started. All right, so once we're here, like I told you, the T code is Zulu Mike 02 Fox. That is our T code. All right, so this is the main screen here for maintain material master MRP area. All right, so like I said, you can use this transaction to perform a mass change of material requirements type, and you can clear safety stock quantity requirements and forecast model materials. Okay, so there's a lot you can do from here. So let's get started here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to click on Plant 2000 Shop Stock Update. All right, so you need to know your MRP area, which is 03. P. And now let me pull up my spreadsheet here. Gotta change these. Control C. So you can add this stuff to a clipboard, so forth. But all right. All right, so if you noticed, what I just did was I put in the MRP area, the first material, what I'm changing it to, and then click this button and I'm able to actually hyperlink the rest. All right. Ooh, I kicked out here. This one in. E, execute. All right. So once you're here, all you're going to do is my mic working? What is going on here? All right. So once you execute, all right, all you can do is background, submit in background. All right. Now, once you do this, material plant, blah, 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 you'll get that little message. All you're going to do is hit the check mark, and you're actually going to be processing all those mass changes from ZV to PD or vice versa, however you are, or what you're trying to do, you can do right from there. Now, to verify that it's gone, all you got to do is go to Systems, go to Own Jobs, and let me show you, it popped up on the other side of the screen. Hold on a second here. And you'll see MRP forecast requirements finished. That's pretty much it. Like I said, you can review the completion right from here. Yeah, SMX, if you haven't noticed, we've used this several times. You can either stop, delete jobs, and so forth. This is like your history, though, of what you've actually ran and things like that. So that's a pretty simple process to do. Mass changes. You don't have to go through one by one. Yeah, so hope you like this video. Hope you like this series. The demand analysis series is finally complete. So we will be moving into our next series once we finish the access administrative, which is going to be dispatching and recoverables. So hope you like this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, go Ordnance.